அதெல்லாம் அப்படியே இருக்கட்டும்.
இருக்கட்டும். அந்த மேலே இருக்க கவர் மட்டும் இல்லை.
அதுதான் கேட்டேன்.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Sun Boutique. Good to see you after a long time. Hi Kavita ma'am. Hi Mohanapriya ma'am. How are you all? Hi Srimati Prakash ma'am. I'm good. How are you? Thank you all for joining the live. Hope all of you are doing good and all of you are safe. So thank you for supporting Sun Boutique so much, for the immense response you're giving us, and that is why we are here today. All of you are giving good support and great responses till date. Thank you so much for everything that you're giving us. Hi Vardhini. Good afternoon. So every time we come up with something special and something new for you guys. This time we have got nice kurti collections for the summer. It is all very beautiful. So let's wait for some people to join. Please do share the live and support Sun Boutique as usual. Hi Preenu ma'am, how are you? Hope you are doing good. So you have given nice reviews. I think by now all of you would have experienced Sun Boutique well. Many of you have placed the order and you would have known our quality and service. Hi Sunita ma'am. Thank you all. So we have got nice good responses for our previous collections, especially semi Kanjivaram silk sarees. We have got great response. We have got awesome reviews from all our customers who have bought it. So if anybody has missed it, please do try. It is a very beautiful sarees. Thank you all for the love and support. To start off with, today we have nice kurti collections. This is the one. It is a cotton kurti with embroidery work and sequence work. தமிழ்ல பேசணுமா பேசிடும். ஸோ இதெல்லாமே வந்து pure cotton kurtis, slab cotton with beads work and embroidery work throughout, and it comes with the bottom. It's a nice skirt style plazo bottom. This is the bottom of the kurti. இதுதான் அதோட பாட்டம். ஸோ ஒன் சைஸ் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஃபுல் ஃப்ளேயர் வரும் ஸ்கர்ட் ஸ்டைலில் வித் கோட்டாபத்தி ஒர்க் அண்ட் பேட்ச் ஒர்க் அட் தி பாட்டம். பியூட்டிஃபுல்லான குர்த்தி இது. வேர் பண்ணால் அவ்வளோ நல்லாயிருக்கும். ஸோ ப்ரைஸ் ஆஃப் திஸ் ஒன் is 1400. It's a 2-piece set for rupees 1400. It has got golden foil print and embroidery work and beads work for the yoke. It's a beautiful kurti. 2-piece set for 1400 only. This is how it looks with Gotapati work for the neck. Bottom is also very nice. It's a skirt style plazo bottom. Srimati ma'am, size till 44 it is available. Size till 44 it is available. So it is a very beautiful kurti. 1400. இதில் வந்து 4 sizes இருக்கு. We have got L, XL, 2XL and M. M, L, XL, 2XL, 4 sizes. It's a beautiful rayon. Sunita ma'am, it is cotton rayon fabric madam. You can even call it a slab cotton. It's a beautiful kurti. This is how it looks in peacock green with red combination. It's a very beautiful kurti. You want the full view? I'll do. Yeah. I hope now it is visible. This is how it looks. Priced at 1400. Sizes that are available are M, L, XL and XXL. Hi Maheshwari ma'am. Thank you for joining. Hope you are doing good. So next one. Again it is slab cotton, silky fabric. It's all cotton based fabric with nice leaf motif throughout the kurti and some Gotapati lace work for the neck, and this is how it looks. It's a beautiful kurti set with the bottom. It comes with the bottom. This is the bottom, printed bottom with Gotapati lace for the bottom. And the price of this set is 1350. It's a beautiful set for 1350. Maroon with grey combination. We have 4 sizes in this: M, L, XL and XXL. 4 pieces we have. You can take the screenshot and place your order. The number is given in the description. Link has been given in the description. Hi Preeta ma'am, thank you. Size 48. Today we have got M, L, XL and XXL ma'am. In future we'll be getting plus sizes also. We'll let you know soon. So it's a beautiful kurti. I'll show you once again. It's a maroon with grey combination. It's a kind of silky fabric. And this is how the bottom looks. Priced at 1350 only. It's a casual wear. You can wear it for the office also. It looks neat and decent. So the next one is a nice long gown style kurti with a center slit. It's a 2-layered kurti. This is how it looks, and it has got a floral print throughout the body and mirror work, small mirror work. Sure, Preeta ma'am, we'll get plus sizes soon. And this is how it looks. It's a beautiful kurti, priced at 1350. You can take the screenshot and WhatsApp us to place your orders. Don't miss this. It's a beautiful one. This is how it looks. It's 2-layer long gown. With floral pattern, and it has got a tassel also. Ma'am, XXL is 44, Preeta ma'am. XXL is 44. So in this we have 38, 40, 42, 44 and 46. Size 46 is available in this pattern. If anybody wants to book, can book now. Size 46 is available, that is 3XL. 3XL is available in this pattern. It's a gown style, long dress. Size 46 is available. If anybody is interested, can take the screenshot and place your order. Hi Preeta ma'am. So this is how it looks. It's a beautiful long gown style with 2-layer floral print throughout the body and nice mirror work. Size 38, 40, 42, 44 and 46 is available. It's a beautiful one, priced at 1350. So next one is again a casual wear for rupees. Can anyone guess the price of this set? Come on, can anyone guess the price of this set? It's a beautiful printed bottom, plazo bottom. This is how it looks, with a pink and grey combination printed top. It's a cotton rayon fabric. It's a beautiful set, priced at 1100 only. 1100, priced at 1100. ரொம்ப அழகான செட் இது. பியூட்டிஃபுல் செட். நெக்குக்கு எம்ப்ராய்டரி ஒர்க் கொடுத்துருக்கு, பீட் ஒர்க் கொடுத்துருக்கு, பட்டன்ஸ் இருக்கு. ஸோ இட்ஸ் அ பியூட்டிஃபுல் செட். This is the bottom. It's a plazo bottom, printed plazo bottom with zigzag pattern. Srimati ma'am, it is set madam. So it is priced at 1100, not 500 ma'am. It's 1100. You can feel the quality and the material of the product. So this is how it looks. It's a beautiful pink with grey combination, priced at 1100. The sizes that are available in this are M, L, XL and XXL. M, L, XL and XXL. Till 44 it is available. You can take the screenshot. It's a beautiful set, priced at 1100 only. Pink with grey combination, casual wear kurti set, priced at 1100. It's a beautiful set. This is how it looks. The next one is again a pure cotton kurti with bandhani print throughout the kurti. You can see and embroidery buttons with tassel. This is how it looks. It's a beautiful set. Again, this is a set. It comes with the bottom, and this is the bottom. It's a khadi cotton bottom with embroidery work. This is not print, it's an embroidery work. And the fabric is khadi cotton. You can feel the fabric. Price of this set is 1450. It's a pure cotton kurti with khadi bottom pant with bandhani print throughout the kurti. This is how it looks, and the sleeve also has got frill work on both the sleeves. It's a beautiful set for 1450. The sizes that are available in this are M, S, M, L, XL and XXL. 5 sizes are available. Starts from L to XXL. S, M, L, XL and XXL. Till 44 it is available. You can take this screenshot. It is a pant style bottom with patti in the front and elastic at the back. It's a beautiful set for just rupees 1450. இந்த சம்மருக்கு இதெல்லாம் ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கும். ரொம்ப சூப்பரா ஃபீல் ஆகும் இந்த ஃபேப்ரிக்லாம். அவ்வளோ அழகான செட்டு. மிஸ் பண்ணிடாம புக் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. ஸோ இதுவும் வந்து காட்டன் ரயான் ஃபேப்ரிக், கேஷுவல் வேர் with beige, mustard and grey combination. This is how it looks. It's a beautiful set. It comes with the bottom. ரொம்ப அழகான செட் இது. This is the bottom of this. It's a bandhani print again. Priced at 1100. Price of this set is also 1100. Screenshot எடுத்துக்கோங்க. வாட்ஸ்அப் பண்ணுங்க. Beautiful set. அவ்வளவா மெயின்டெனன்ஸ் எல்லாம் இதுக்கு தேவையில்ல. லைட்டாக அயர்ன் பண்ணி போட்டால் போதும். ரொம்ப அழகான செட் இது. It's a casual wear priced at 1100. You can take the screenshot. This is how it looks. This is the bottom, plazo bottom and the kurti. The sizes that are available are M, L, XL and XXL. 4 sizes, M, L, XL and XXL. You can message me for the pictures of these kurtis. If you want to see the pictures, you can message me. We will share the pictures. It's a beautiful set for just rupees 1100. It's all very premium quality fabric, not the local quality fabric. You can see. The next one is a party wear. It is silk based fabric with throughout embroidery kuduthirukku. Embroidery stone work for the neck. It's a silk based fabric idu. This is how it looks. It's a beautiful one. இதுவுமே செட் தான். இதுக்கும் பாட்டம் வரும். It's a skirt style plazo bottom. ஒரு சைடு பேண்டோட ஃப்ளேயரே இவ்வளோ லென்த்தாக வரும். It's a skirt style bottom. I hope you can see. And it comes with the lining. Bottom ku lining கொடுத்திருக்கு. Cotton lining. With a patti in the front and elastic at the back. As I told you, it's all premium quality. Price of this set is 2200. Price of this set is 2200. It's a silk based fabric, and the size that are available is double XL only, 2XL only. So you can take the screenshot. Messages have started coming. Bookings are going on. You can take the screenshot and start booking. Don't miss this beautiful collection. We have got one more color in this. First one was maroon. The next one is another beautiful color. It's a bottle green with embroidery and sequence work, stone work throughout the neck. You can see it's a beautiful set, and it's a silk based fabric. This is how it looks, and sleeves also comes with this kind of pleated work for both the sleeves, and the bottom is again a skirt style bottom. It's a plazo bottom, skirt style, comes with the lining, cotton lining. I hope you can see it comes with the lining, cotton lining. This is how it looks. It's a beautiful dress, priced at 2200. The size that is available is double XL. Double XL mattum dhaan irukku idhula. So it is a good chance for 2XL people. You can take the screenshot and book it. This is how the bottom looks. And this is the kurti. Please take the screenshot. And the next one is a beautiful gown, cotton gown with full flare. You can see it has got full flare. It's one of my favorite piece in light parrot green shade and cream combination in size 2XL. It's just a single piece that is available in size 2XL, and the price of this one is just 1200 with a bell sleeve. Just rupees 1200. Hi Neha, how are you? So this is how it looks with the cut pattern. It's a unique piece, and it has got embroidery and stone work for the neck. It's a beautiful one for just rupees 1200. Size that is available is only 2XL, single piece that is available. Anyone wants can take screenshot and book it on our WhatsApp number. So it's a beautiful gown, full flare. You can see this is the bottom of the gown. It has got nice frill work. Beautiful dress. It's one of my personal favorite. You can take it. You can take the screenshot and book. So next one. This is the last one for the day. It's again a silk based fabric with all piping work for the neck, and it's a beautiful, very soft, very comfortable fabric it is. You can see with the lining. It comes with the lining. Price of this one is 975. It's a silk based fabric, priced at only 975 with bell sleeve and piping work for the neck. It's a rich work given for the yoke. It's a beautiful kurti in light green color, green shade. You can take the screenshot. Priced at rupees 975 only. It's a beautiful one. You can see. This is how it looks. It's a beautiful kurti. ஸோ மிஸ் பண்ணிடாதீங்க. ஸ்க்ரீன்ஷாட் எடுங்க, வாட்ஸ்அப் பண்ணுங்கள், புக் பண்ணுங்கள். ஆல்ரெடி புக்கிங் ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகிடுச்சு, மெசேஜ் பண்ணிகிட்டு இருக்காங்க. ஸோ வி ஹவ் காட் சிங்கிள் பீசஸ் இன் ஈச் டிசைன் அண்ட் ஈச் சைஸ். புக் பண்ணி உங்களுக்கு தேவையானதை எடுத்துக்கோங்க. என்னோட கலெக்ஷன்ஸ் உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருக்குன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம் குர்த்திஸ் இன்ட்ரடியூஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கோம் லைவ்ல. சப்போர்ட் பண்ணுங்கள் சன் பொட்டிக்கு. ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் தி கலெக்ஷன் வி ஹவ் காட் ஃபார் யூ டுடே. சன் பொட்டிக் சப்போர்ட் பண்ணுங்கள். ஆல்ரெடி ரொம்ப சப்போர்ட் பண்ணிகிட்ருக்கீங்க. அப்ராட்ல இருந்தெல்லாம் நல்ல ரெஸ்பான்சஸ் கொடுத்துட்ருக்கீங்க. எங்கேருந்தோ எனக்கு தெரியாமலே நீங்கள் நம்ம கனெக்ட் ஆகிறதே இந்த வாட்ஸ்அப், ஃபேஸ்புக், இன்ஸ்டாகிராம் மூலயமா. அதில் நீங்கள் எங்களை நம்பி அவ்வளோ தூரத்துலேருந்து ஆர்டர்ஸ் ப்ளேஸ் பண்ணி சப்போர்ட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு ரொம்ப தேங்க்ஸ். ஜெர்மனிலேருந்து ஆர்டர் கொடுத்துருக்கீங்க, ஃப்ரான்ஸ்லேருந்து, யூகேலேருந்து கொடுத்துருக்கீங்க, ஸ்ரீலங்காலேருந்து கொடுத்துருக்கீங்க, லண்டன்லேருந்து கொடுத்துருக்கீங்க. ஸோ இத்தனை பேர் இத்தனை இடத்துலேருந்து நம்மளை பார்க்காம சப்போர்ட் பண்ணி எங்களை நம்பி ஆர்டர் பண்ணுறவங்க எல்லாருக்குமே நாங்கள் அதுக்கேற்ற சர்வீஸும் ரெஸ்பான்சஸும் உங்களுக்கு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ப்ரிஃபரன்ஸ் கொடுத்து நாங்கள் கொடுப்போம். கண்டிப்பாக எல்லாருமே ரொம்ப சப்போர்ட் பண்ணியிருக்கீங்க. தேங்க்யூ ஆல் ஃபார் தி சப்போர்ட். ஸோ ப்ளீஸ் டூ ஷேர் திஸ் லைவ் அண்ட் வில் கம் அப் வித் நெக்ஸ்ட் வீக் இன்னும் பியூட்டிஃபுல்லான கலெக்ஷன்ஸ் இருக்குது சாரீஸில் இந்த சம்மருக்காக. ஸோ அது எல்லாமே நாங்கள் உங்களுக்கு ரெடி பண்ணி வச்சிட்ருக்கோம். திஸ் வீக் வி ஆர் ட்ராவலிங். So we won't be able to come again live this week. Next week, Monday or Wednesday, we'll come back again with another set of beautiful collections. Sarees na avlo super ah irukku indha summer ku budget friendly range la ellame ready ah irukku. Almost it is ready. We have got the collections for you. So we will come back again next week with beautiful set of collections. See you then. Bye bye.